Here's a look at how I play Kilby Girl by Backseat Lovers. We're going to have a capo on the 4th fret for this one. This riff's going to start off on the 5th fret of the low E string relative to capo. We're also going to be playing the 4th fret on the A string. So we're going to play twice on the E, once on the A, 3 times on the E, once on the A. So twice, 3 times. Then we play 3 times again, once on the A, 3 times again on the E, once on the A, finish once with the E. So twice, 3, 3, 3, once. The second chord we're going to play is based on the 2nd fret of the E and 2nd fret of the A, and it's exactly the same picking pattern. So 2 on the E, 3 on the E, 3 on the E, 3 on the E, 1 on the E. So. If you listen carefully on the song, you'll notice that the bass goes down lower every other time through. So we start off with the 5, go down to our 2, and at this point we go to our open string, or our 4th fret really, with the capo here on the low E, same picking, just for half the time. So twice, 3, once. So this is how the whole riff sounds slowly. Chords, we've got an E major shaped bar chord here at the 5th fret relative to capo. It's like a D flat chord really. We'll strum that once and let it ring for 2 whole bars. We're going to go down to an E minor shape, which is really an A flat minor chord. We're just going to strum that once. That's going to ring for 1 whole bar. Then we're going to go to this shape here, which is like a G flat major 7 chord shape. I'm going to strum it once. That's going to ring out for 1 whole bar before we go back to that first E major shaped bar chord, that D flat bar. I'm going to strum that once, that's going to ring for 2 bars again, before we go back to the E minor shape, the A flat minor chord, 1 bar, then we've got this little picking pattern. So it's the G flat major chord again, G flat major 7, we're going to pick A, D, G, B, G, 2 mutes. So we've got the D flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then to the A flat, 2, 3, 4, G flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to that D flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A flat, 2, 3, 4, picking. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we go into the chorus, we're going to start strumming these chords, but we are going to use the same chord voice. Since we've got the D flat, we're going to strum it down, 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 up, down, down, down. A flat, down, down, down. Before the bar ends, we've got an up strum on that G flat. We've got 3 up strums, and then up, down, up. So D flat, A flat, G flat. He also occasionally adds some 16th notes in there before the changes. After the chorus, we'll go straight back into that picking pattern. On the end there. So when we go down to the 2 and 2 chord, so we pick it the same for the first bar. We've got 2 2s, then a little slide from 2 to 4 on the A, back to 2 on the A, open, 2, open. So slowly. There's also a little variation on that riff when we come out of the slide. We go to 5 on the E, 4, 5 on the A. Play that 4 times. Then we go to 2 and 2. We're going to play open A after the 2 on the A. So 2 on the low E, 2 on the A, open 4 times. And then we go back through the riff as normal. At the end of the song we have a little break section where we use a G flat major 7 chord and a D flat major 7 chord. The strummer, I'm going to strum down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Same strumming for the D flat major 7. Up, down, up, down, up, down, down. To finish the song off, we use the same chords, that G flat major 7. We're just going to scrum down, down, down. We go to the D flat major 7, same strumming. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one. Thanks for watching. Take care.